Hello everyone, JP with Max Tr3 Revival coming back at you. It is Friday, and I've got some boxes of parts that have made it in. I did take the only arm that I had left that was a good arm that I messed up, that I pushed the wrong bush out of, and I got that painted up. I've got one more bush that I had to take back and get it pressed out. I had to clean up a couple little burrs on that one so I can fit the new bush in. I've got the reamer here, so I'm ready to fit that up. And I've got lots of components ready to go. I got cotter pins, I've got bolts, I've got screws, I've got, I think, everything I need, but you know what? We're gonna find out. And I got the front end waiting. I think, have to order one more trunnion. This one is scored. And I don't know. It's questionable. I'm gonna see. It's not terrible like the other one was, pitted too bad. I'm thinking I might be able to touch this one up, sand it just a hair. I don't know. I'll take some measurements on it. I got the caliper, so I'll take some measurements on it and see what I got. I still haven't located the little spacers for the arms here, so that's a hunt. And I got a few more boxes to go through. I did get my replacement bush in, so I got 4 again now. So luckily I was able to buy a single for that. So I do have a plan. Guess we'll get at it tomorrow. Well, that, my friends, is the elusive rear shocks. Don't know how it wound up over here and this side, because there's no other car parts over this way. But I will venture to say that that's both units. So a little premature in my ordering, but the good part is I think I can clean up the other one and move on with getting the rear end back together. Anyway, mystery solved. Twice in 1 week. I feel like I lost, but I did find one other spare, which might be a good for an arm or something. But this one, the casting's busted on it. So don't believe that one's worth anything. I should put a big flat washer in front of it. Semi cleaned up and sitting in place, so I know where it is. Still need to get a gasket for it and then refill it and see if I got any leaks. And obviously that's a new one. All right. I did get some of these cleaned up, and these are all the ones that are on the upper trunnions and down here on the lower A-arms. That one's nylock. I wanted to stick with the original stuff, which is the slotted ones. So they were just all over the place. I had boxes of screws and stuff, and I'm not even sure if these were the original ones. And I'm just gonna leave them like that. Did hit them with a little clear paint. So that's what I decided to do. I got one more trunnion on the way, and then I'll have to use my reamer tool and ream those out. And I can start doing some assembly. So trying to start piecing back together the front end, getting a lot of the little parts together, but I'm missing the spacer right here that goes in between the two upper A-arms. And looking online, looks like it's NLA, nobody makes it. So I'm trying to see if anybody may have theirs taken apart where they can give me the dimensions on that. So I can have a couple either machine lathed or, you know, something like that. And is it just like a mild steel? I'm guessing. You have the dimensions on that, and you know what the construction's made out of. Just overall outside diameter, inside diameter, and then the thickness or width. I'm assuming it would be pretty close to this, but If you have that, hit me up, send me a message, let me know. Or if you got a couple extra ones. I managed to hunt down the rear shackle bracket, which I had already redone, and the bush kit, and kind of get it located. Some of the nuts cleaned up and cleared. I just clear coated them, so that's the way I thought it looked best. Well, there it is, all cleaned up. My little ode to the original color. Still needs to be sprayed as far as like a clear coat, but it's pretty clean. I gotta get a little more off around the edges, and then I'm gonna paint the ends black just to keep them from rusting anymore. But that was the original color of the frame, and I'm keeping it. Shows the age of the car, and it's something unique that I'll have, so keeping it. So got some more parts hung on here, like the shackle brackets right here. Still looking for a few things. I got my plates and my U-bolts. I need to find those. Front end wise, I got a couple more of these that I need to hunt down. I know they're in a box. I just went through all those over there, so not in those. So there we go with the updated list. But that's about it for this go round. I just wanted to say thanks to everybody. Appreciate you following along. And I know it's been a little sporadic with my postings lately, but got to jump back on it, try and finish getting the frame together so I can get the body off of there, put it on top of here, and then put the car back up there. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spare and put it on top, and then take the body on the frame and have it in roller status, and then put it down below. I can lift the top ramp all the way up and be able to work around the bottom of the frame. We'll see if I can get to it before there's snow on the ground.